Hey everyone, my name is Josh. This is my 2022 Chevrolet Corvette. It's a C8R edition, number 825 out of 1,000. Go for a little drive. We'll start off in tour mode, and then we'll go through the different modes progressively. Get my friends here to follow me, and hopefully we won't hit any geese. All right, give the other high beam, and let's start moving. This car is about 7,000 miles, broken in. Could probably use an alignment. But in factory alignment, it's not too bad. Windows here. And off we go. This is a favorite road of mine. Now Z is just a sort of an M mode, I guess you can say, just a memory mode, or I guess a quick recall button, or like they say, a sports response that you can program. I have it set just to add a little more, you know, turn up the engine, but keep everything stock. I think it's good, you know, warm up. Everyone hates on the wheel, but I mean, it's the closest wheel you get to, you know, kind of like a racing wheel, and you know, sporting wheels aren't you know, perfectly circular. Now the stock dual clutch programming isn't too bad, but in a road like this, you kind of want up a bit. The beauty about a car like keeping it in the revs is that you want to make the ELSD2 work, right? You want to, I mean, that's the thing. At high RPMs, that's when it works. Let's go to sport. Obviously, changes the steering, the brakes, the suspension. Oh, how the transmission, engine brakes do. Basically, I don't know, is the hype real? I guess. Is this a supercar? No. But for a premium sports car, Chevrolet's, you know, I think they've done it. They've attracted a new set of clientele, and the car drives different. It just drives different than every other Corvette before it. That's the difference with this car. It's not the quickest car in the world. out the most sportiest or give you the most feel. It's not about that. It's about a V8 in the mid with a dual clutch. People ask me, hey, what's it like to drive? Like, what's the difference? Like, why? When I add the gas, the car goes into the corner. In a front engine car, it just squiggles a bit, right? Not with this car. Watch any interview with any of the engineers of Chevrolet and they'll tell you it's the back. That's the main difference, the rear of the car. The way that the rear puts the power down. It's like you're strapped to the front of a locomotive. It's on rails and you just hammer the car. Thank you for joining me.